What feeling?
Stress.
Huh?
Stress.
Stress. Why are you stressful?
We don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing. We do. We're
Yeah,
catching.
I'm hungry.
We're catching a blue taxi.
With a queue of a million people and no taxis to be seen.
There are lots of green taxis. There are lots of red taxis, but we're in the aisle for the blue taxi. But there's very few blue
It's
taxis.
very confusing though, because that sign said that the other taxis go to Disneyland. One of them was actually cheaper anyway. But when I looked up online, it said only use people.
So what? One of the we can use a different taxi.
This is why I'm stressed.
Oh. Oh, there's the lift. Listen. That's amazing.
Wait, are we going up?
Yeah, we're going up. Level 3. Get out.
Wait. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. She said level 3. I'm pretty sure, yeah. She said level 3. Oh, you have to scan the card first, sir.
Oh. Are we on level 3?
Maybe we are. Maybe we're not.
Wait, where are we supposed to be going?
Ah.
We are on the third floor.
Oh, where is it? What?
Sorry. We are on
Where?
the third floor because the thing brought us up the ramp.
We're lost in here already. Looking for a room. We're so lost.
Wait.
Where's the room? 5'8".
This one.
Put your card. Just put that in there.
So cold. I don't have a jumper. Oh, I can't jump water. Buddy, I did hear it. Look. We got to sleep next to you.
Should we go down, Baba? You can go down.
Look at you. He's so cold.
Oh, that's cute.
They didn't get us one.
Oh, they did too. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, no. Let's have you. I'm sorry. This is the first thing.
Pulled you.
Oh, yeah, how do we open this? How do I open the door? I'm sorry, but... Oh. The curtains are really thick here. Look, there's the outlet, so that way you've got the multiple one with the... That's cool. So USB's there. And... Oh! Look at the USB port here. Dallas. You've actually got a really good little USB port here. They give you
I just want to connect Wi-Fi so I can actually use my phone for some reason. I still can't
TV, drawers. We ordered a cot. There's Tinkerbell. And you got the... It's a bit of a quick room tour of... It feels, it just has this, like, as soon every part of this where you're walking through any room and it just feels amazing. Look at this. You got a razor. You have a razor, toothbrushes, cotton pad and swabs. There's a comb in here as well. You really didn't need to bring anything. Bath. All of that. Oh, really? I'm going straight for the cupboard. Oh, I got our slippers. I'm putting on my slippers. Oh.
Hello,
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
Oh, jeez. Tinkerbell one down here?
Yeah. So 129.
Oh yeah, it's about similar to what they are anyway. Oh wow.
Yeah, we are taking one back and carry on. We'll look in the park though, but
Yeah. Huh? Oh, it is too. Oh, do they have that? Do they have that in adults? I actually would buy that. That's actually really cool. Why is it that kids have always the best stuff? That t-shirt there, the friendship one. That's cute.
oh, this one.
That's cool.
Yeah, no, that was cute.
What does it say on the front? I love my family. Oh, that's cute. I just don't. It's just the Mickey face on that. I'm just not a massive fan of. Are you wearing that when you get married?
When I get married,
Yeah,
when we.
Oh, that's what I meant. But you know. Would you like a teddy? You don't want a teddy? Do you want a Duffy and friend?
What do you mean, no?
Do you want
Something.
Do you like Luna Bell?
Mickey.
Sorry?
A Mickey.
You want Mickey? Did you want a Gel and Tony?
No.
A Mickey.
Did you want? I'll. Umel? I think I pronounced that correct. Do you like the turtle?
Yeah.
No. How about Shirley May? What about Duffy? Do you like Duffy?
Do you like Duffy?
That's Mickey's favourite teddy. That's Mickey's teddy.
Okay.
Yeah, Duffy's Mickey's teddy.
Or do you like this one?
Yeah? Or do you like Jill and Tony? Do you like the cat?
Excuse me, Willow. Do you like this one? Do you like this one?
No.
Okay. Do you like this one?
No.
No?
Do you like this one?
Wait a second. Willow, do you like
Do you
this
like
one?
Me.
Do you like that one?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you like this one? Do you like that one?
Hockey.
Ah, what was that? What do you want to do with that one?
Hockey.
You want a Huggy? Morning, everybody. We are in Disneyland Resort in Hong Kong, and we are just about to have some breakfast, but this is our very first day here, but we'll show you a bit of a tour and that sort of stuff a bit later on, but yeah, we're going to have some breakfast at the Enchanted Room and hopefully have a great day today, so speak to you soon. We walk past this mystery box every day. It's just this one random box. We don't know what's inside it. And the letdown is it doesn't open. It does. Ooh. There's nothing in it. It does open. It does open. I repeat, we've just let the bad spirits out of the
I don't think that was meant to open.
Huh? Yeah, I think that was meant to open.
Not meant to open.
I reckon it was meant to open. And we've just let the good spirits out.
I'm okay.
Or the bad spirits. Depending on what we've just done.
Next minute, cancelled.
We've literally let something out in this place. We don't know what it is. It's now Check this out. This painting does not move. It has been annoying me the whole time. Every day I look at this, I like the picture, but this picture annoys me every day I look at it. It's not straight. It's not. That picture's not straight. It's on an angle. And every time I wake up, I want to move it. And I go to move it to straighten it up. And you can't. You cannot fix this thing. You cannot fix it. It's I mean, it's a very pretty picture, but I can't fix it. I can't fix the non-straightness. Now, in the carpet, this is pretty cool. Now, I'm going to try to find a couple of them. I'm looking at carpet. Yeah. So, the carpet has hidden Mickeys in it. So, you got a hidden Mickey there. You've got a hidden Mickey there. And the pattern keeps going around. You've got, so you got more Mickeys there. So the carpet's pretty cool. It has Mickeys, and you have Snow White, and then you've got the 7 dwarfs. So these are little things that I didn't notice when we first walked in, when we first came in, because we were just excited about when we came in. But these are just the little extra things that you kind of find throughout your stay while you're here. It's pretty cool. And then if you really want to really cool, you're doing your makeup. It's really cool. Get that focusing. Don't want to look at that, so let's go away. See my red sunburnt nose. You do have a painting. Obviously, they try to put flowers, a nice smelling thing, when you're doing your poop. So you look at that and you imagine that it smells better than what's coming out from there. And I couldn't see if there was any hidden Mickeys here, but I don't think there is. Let me know in the comments below if you can find a hidden Mickey in here, but I don't think there is. The tap's really nice. The shower is really good. It's actually a really nice shower. I really enjoyed it. The shower was really cool. And also, this is a little cool little detail here. So where you've got your tissues, you've got Sneezy. Because when you need your tissues, you get Sneezy, and I think that's amazing. That's so cool. Sorry? Just sit there. Last quarter as well. For a while. Come on. This is the maze at Disneyland, Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. We're gonna go.
I'm done. I'm done.
Up. Okay. Inside this maze, it's actually dedicated to Frozen. So we're trying to find the Frozen characters in that at the moment. I think I might have worked away to sweating. Maybe not. Okay. Oh, there. Worked out to Olaf. We're going to Olaf. Bubba, Olaf. Yay, Olaf. Tell Mummy you did it. You did it. You did it. We did it. Did we do it? Do. Da, 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 da.
Mommy.
Mummy, we did it. Do we go for a run on the
I was like, do we? I was literally just thinking, do we park it and jump on?
jump on quickly? Put her in the shade for a second and quickly go for a ride while we can. Keep her in the shade and we'll have a race.
Yeah.
Record the race. Alright, wait a second. Put this here. So, at the park, they've got these little pedal carts and we're going to have a bit of a race. So, right there. Just going to put it here. See if I can line this up well. Alright. Why not? Oh, really? What's the weight limit? That was a letdown. We're not going on them.
Hi.
That's okay. Maybe if I shrank.
I told you I need to lose weight.
No, I do. This top makes me look good. I feel like this top
No, that one looks better than the other one.
does.
Yeah.
Right.
Pooh Bear kind of like masks.
Pooh Bear masks my fatness. My old man belly.
It looks like it's Pooh Bear's belly.
My old man belly.
That's it. Drink. Alright.
Alright.